How's it going, guys? Well, I'm going to do an updated video on my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection. Start off with this bad boy. This is my 1/4 scale Pretty Woman Leatherface by Sideshow. It is the exclusive version, and this figure will never leave my collection. It's definitely my holy grail of all my figures, everything out of my collection, to be honest. Really badass figure. The exclusive piece is this bucket with the mallet in it and the blood. Only 200 of these figures were made. Really nice figure. Then over here we have the Leatherface from the remake. This is actually a Sideshow version, just redone by C's Creations. Has a One's Customs head sculpt on it that they painted. They re-weathered all the clothing and redid the apron to match up the movie. It's movie length. The other Sideshow just wasn't up to snuff, in my opinion. We can't go wrong with the One's Customs head sculpt. That's a great figure. Then we have the Leatherface from the original. I bought this figure secondhand off eBay. The original owner put all covered in blood like that. Eventually I'm going to send that off to C's Creations as well, have them redo it. And then we have the Hitchhiker. Pretty Woman Leatherface. Final chase scene. And the Mezco Cinema Fear screen grab. We have Chop Top. I meant to change the head on that. In this movie scene where he's holding Nubbins, the dead hitchhiker from the original movie, he doesn't have that Sonny Bono wig on. He just has his bald head and his plate. I need to change that. Then we have Leatherface from the second, holding LG's face after he cut it off. Then here, another one of my favorites is Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Beginning, the prequel movie. And he's just got done cutting Eric's face off. It's a really nice figure. Then we have Old Man Monty. A lot of detail on that figure. They did a good job on that. I believe NECA did it. Might be wrong though. Then we have Aaron running through the butcher shop. And back here we have Leatherface. Now this figure originally came with a door frame, but as you can see, my collection is pretty cluttered and I don't have room to display him properly. So I got that piece in storage, so hopefully when I get more room I'll be able to display him properly. And then we have Sheriff Hoyt. And over here we have Leatherface, my 18-inch Leatherface. It's a really good figure. Another one of my favorites. It's one of the first figures I got. I got it from Spencer's. And then over here with my mask. We have the Killing Mask by Connor DeLeste. This is one of his originals from his original sculpt, which is no longer available. It's broken. And then we have the Pretty Woman mask. Awesome, awesome mask right here. If you guys can get one, get on his list. Definitely get it. But if you want my advice, I'd go to Mass Fest. I believe it's in Indianapolis. The end of August each year. Pretty sure he'll be there. And then we just have my figures here. We have the Pretty Woman Leatherface retro 8-inch by NECA. Then the other one. And the NECA Ultimate Leatherface figure. That's a great figure there too. Definitely like that. Check out my review on that one. Then down on this shelf we have the Pretty Woman mask by the Mask Gallery, Joe Nabile. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. It's made with the same materials as the original mask. Liquid latex and fiberglass. Gives you that distinctive look like skin. It's a very creepy mask. And then we have Eric's face from the beginning. It's a very gory mask. It's made by AM Creations. You can find them on Facebook. It's a really gory mask. I like it a lot. Looks just like the movie. And then we have the Remake mask, done by the Devil's Latex, that I just got a couple days ago. You can find them on Facebook as well. So that's my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection. It'll continue to grow, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing an updated video for my entire horror collection once I get these last couple things in the mail. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, guys.